She cleaned the room. The guests arrived. A. After. B. Unless. C. Despite. D. Since. Correct answer option A. After. He woke up early. He had an important meeting. A. Though. B. Because. C. Until. D. Unless. Correct answer option B. Because. They went inside. It started to get dark. A. Unless. B. Although. C. When. D. Yet. Correct answer option C. When. I will wait here. You return. A. Unless. B. Until. C. Despite. D. Though. Correct answer option B. Until. She smiled. She was nervous. A. Unless. B. Though. C. Because. D. Until. Correct answer option B. Though. He left the office. He finished all his work. A. Despite. B. When. C. Unless. D. Though. Correct answer option B. When. They couldn't play outside. It was too hot. A. Yet. B. Because. C. Unless. D. Although. Correct answer option B. Because. I won't open the door. You knock. A. Unless. B. Although. C. Despite. D. Since. Correct answer option A. Unless. Subscribe for more videos.